Hey everyone, JT here. And let me tell you, I just got off the phone with a client who basically said, JT, I'm working 80 hours a week and feels like I'm running on a hamster wheel. How do I get off this thing? Sounds familiar? Today we're diving into something that can absolutely transform your business and your life. Moving from trading all your precious time for money to building sustainable, sweet, passive income. Because let's be real. You got into business to make a dollar better and faster, right? Not to be a slave to the clock. You know that feeling when you're just constantly doing the work, doing the sales, doing the marketing, and if you stop, the money stops? We all been there. And what if your business could, be making money even when you're not actively working in it? Imagine that for a second. We're going to talk about how to make that a reality, even if you're a service business, by breaking free from the time for money trap. For a long time, especially as a CPA, my business was almost entirely built on selling my time and my knowledge directly. It was do it for you accounting and tax work. And hey, that's how many of us starts, right? We're excellent at what we do. People pay us for our expertise. The problem? There are only so many hours in a day and only one of you. Your income is directly capped by your time. It's like a really fancy self-imposed salary cap. This active income model, while great for getting started, can quickly lead to burnout if you don't find ways to scale beyond yourself. You become the bottleneck. It's like having a restaurant where only you can cook, serve, and wash dishes. Eventually, you hit a wall. And for a small business owner, especially those who are trying to make that dollar better and faster, this isn't sustainable for long-term growth and, frankly, for your sanity. Now, you don't have to jump straight from selling your time to selling a product. For many of us in service business, the first step to scaling and easing that load is by adding employees. You can start by having others do it with you or even do it for you. That's how I started to leverage my time, by bringing in a team to help with the core accounting and tax services. You're leveraging, their time and their expertise and not just your own, which immediately opens up, capacity and allows you to serve more clients without burning out. It's a fantastic way to scale your active income and build a more robust business. So once you've leveraged your team as much as possible, and if you're looking for another avenue to scale, how do you escape this time for money trap even further? This is where your secret weapon comes in, productizing your knowledge and services. Now, you might be thinking, JT, I'm a service business, man. Like how in the world I'm going to productize me? And for years, I thought the same thing. I mean, my teaching was just casual conversations and quick tips here and there to clients. But here's the thing I realized, especially as I started building this Go Make a Dollar community. Instead of letting a hurricane of ideas pull me in a million directions, I looked at my core competencies, what I do best, what my clients always asking me about, and I thought, how can I teach this to more people without directly trading my time for each lesson? Which is funny because I'm teaching every lesson right now. That's why I'm building out online courses for this community. It's my way of expanding that, teach my clients how to do a pillar of my business. Instead of doing one-on-one tax strategy sessions consistently, I can create a course that walks hundreds or even thousands of small business through those exact strategies. It's building on my existing knowledge and leverage what my clients are already asking for. It's leverage what I already know and turning into a repeatable scale asset. Think about it. What are the common questions your clients ask? What process do you repeat? Those are prime candidates for productization. Now, let's bust a myth right now. Passive income does not mean set it and forget it, like some magic money tree that just sprouts cash while you nap. If only, right? Building truly sustainable passive income requires upfront effort, sometimes a lot of it. For me, building these courses involves planning, recording, editing, and then setting up the systems to deliver them. It's a significant investment of time and energy on the front end. However, once that course is built, once that system is in place, the revenue potential is no longer tied directly to the hours I put in that week. It scales. It allows me to reach a wider audience of entrepreneurs, helping them make that dollar better and faster. Without me having to be physically present for every single interaction. It's about working smarter, not just harder, which I know most of you do that. It's about laying the foundation for a thriving ecosystem for your business, where your income isn't solely dependent on you directly and active, input of every single day. This frees you up to innovate, to serve your high-ticket clients even better, and just, maybe take a nap. So here's the challenge I have for you as you think about this for your own business. We all have our X factor strategy, that core metric that drives our business forward. Think about your unique knowledge, your repeatable process, your most frequently asked questions. What's one piece of expertise that you could start transforming into a productized, semi-passive or passive income streams this week? Even if it's just outlining a mini course or creating a downloadable template. What's that first step you're going to take to make your business work smarter for you rather than you always working harder for it? Share your thoughts and your comments in the comment section below. Go get it.